Hello grade 3, how are you? In this video, inshallah, we are going to talk about sound. What is sound? How sound forms? How can we make our sound louder? What is pitch? How can we make high pitch and low pitch sound? First of all, what is sound? Now you will see a simple presentation which is gonna tell us about sound and how can we make it and how we hear it.
When a drum is hit, it makes vibrations, which cause the air around it to vibrate. The vibrations travel, carrying the sound. We can't see sound travelling, but the micro zoom shows what it might look like. Sound waves are funneled into the ear and hit the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. These vibrations are carried by 3 small bones to the cochlea, which sends messages to the brain.
Fine, as we see in the presentation or in the video, sound is vibration. This boy hit the drum to make vibration, and those vibrations travel through air or move through the air to your eardrum, cause your eardrum to vibrate and move, and those vibrations sent to our brain by those small 3 bones. Those vibration or those sounds must be sent to our brain so we know what that sound is. Fine, those vibration vibrate our eardrum, then move to the small bones, and then to the cochlea, and then to our brain, so we know what the sound is. Fine, now we know that sound is vibration. We need to vibrate an object to make sound, and the sound need air to travel through it, which means in case of vacuum or in case of place where there is no air, we cannot hear sound, as sound will not find something to travel through it or to move through it to your ears, so it vibrates your eardrum and you can hear. Let's give an example. If you want to travel to China and there is no plane, can you travel? Sure not. You need a vehicle or a transportation way to travel to places. Sound is same like you. Sound needs air to travel through it. Sound needs air to move through it to your ears. Now let's see something else, and we will return back to this games and presentation. Now we know what is sound, which is say. Vibration, excellent. How sound forms? By vibrating objects. If you want to make sound, you have to vibrate your vocal cords or your voice box. You vibrate your voice box in your throat, put your hand on your throat and say ah. You will feel your vibration, the vibration of your voice box or the vocal cords in your throat. Then how can we make our sound louder? How can we make the sound which we make by vibrating the object or vibrating our voice box or our vocal cords by vibrating them? How can we make this sound louder? Let's play a game and see. Now we're having a guitar. If you want to get sound from this guitar, we have to pluck it. We can pluck it strongly and we can pluck it gently. Let's see if we pluck it strongly at first, what will happen? Oh, we made a loud sound. Let's see what will happen if we pluck it gently. We made a quiet sound. So now we know that the way or the force of blocking or the force of the vibration is the thing that affect the volume or the loudness of the sound. If we pluck strongly or if we pluck hard or if we vibrate the object hard or strong, it will give us loud sound. But if we pluck it gently, if we vibrate this thing gently, it will give us quiet sound. Put your hand on your throat, quickly, quickly. Make a loud sound. You will feel the strong vibrations. And put your hand again on your throat and make a quiet sound. You will feel that the vibration is gently, not strongly at the first time. So now we know that strong vibrations make loud sound and gentle vibrations make quiet sound. Let's try it for the last time. Perfect. So now, how can we make our sound louder? How can we make our sound louder, or sound of anything that makes sound? By making the vibration strong. Excellent. What is pitch? For describing the sound, if we want to describe the sound of something or sound of some person, we have to say how loud this sound is, and we have to talk about its pitch or its sharpness. Is this sound high pitch sound or low pitch sound? Is this sound sharp or rough? Sharp, high pitch, like the girl sound, which is very soft and sharp, while the rough sound or low pitch sound, like the boy sound and like the ooh train sound, we call this sound low pitch sound. Let's talk again about the high pitch. High pitch sound is the very sharp sound. High pitch sound, as I told you in the class, like the girl sound and the sparrow. Fine. Only the pitch? No, we should also talk about the loudness or the volume. Is it loud or quiet? Is the sound loud and high or quiet? So if you want to describe the sound of, for example, the train, how is the sound of the train? The sound of the train is very loud and low pitch. Ooh, very loud and low pitch sound, rough sound. The sound of the girls, most of the girls have quiet sound and high pitch, very sharp sound and quiet. Some girls, for example, like me, I have a loud sound but with high pitch sound. I give you a project to write about the sound of your family member. Let's now see how we can make high pitch and low pitch sound from some musical instruments like the guitar. What about if we make the strings of the guitar short? If we put our hands here and make those strings short and we pluck it, let's see how it will affect the pitch of the sound. Oh, we make a loud high pitch sound as we pluck strongly, so the sound is loud, and the strings are short, so it gives us high pitch sound. Let's see if we make the strings short. If we make it long, I'm sorry. High pitch, low pitch. Let's know that short things, if we vibrate a short object, it always gives us high pitch. But if we vibrate long object, it always gives us low pitch. Opposite, long, low pitch, short, high pitch. Let's try another musical instrument like the drums. Fine. Loose and tight. Loose and tight. Now we are talking about the pitch. Remember, if you want to make a loud sound, we have to hit the drums strongly. If we hit it strongly and we make a strong vibration, so it gives us loud sound. But if we hit it gently, we make gentle vibration, so it gives us quiet sound. Let's see. So now we know that strong vibration give us loud sound, while gentle vibration give us quiet sound. So let's talk about the pitch. If the drum skin is loose, not very tight, it's loose. Let's see how the sound is gonna be. But if it's tight, the tight give us high pitch sound, and the loose give us low pitch sound. So if it's loose, very wide, it gives us low pitch sound, but in case of tight drum skin, it gives us high pitch sound. And listen again. High rough pitch sound, high sharp pitch sound, high pitch, low pitch rough sound. Let's try another thing. Blowing. Fine. Now we have an empty bottle. If we blow in an empty bottle, we are vibrating so many air, long air column, so it's gonna give us, let's see. Let's fill it completely. Oh, this seems like high pitch sound. So if we fill the bottle with water, we make the air column short, very small amount of air, we vibrating very small amount of air, so this is gonna give us high pitch sound. But if we vibrate so many air, I remove all of the water from the bottle and I'm vibrating so many air, long air column, it will give us, let's see, low pitch sound. You can play this game on the wiki, I put the link for you. It's very easy. So now we know that sound can be loud or quiet in case of loudness, and in case of pitch or sharpness it can be high pitch sound or low pitch sound. We can describe the sound in two different ways. If you want to change the loudness of the sound, we must change the vibration. We must make the vibration strong for loud voice and gentle for quiet voice. In case of pitch, we must change the amount of the vibrating object. Like for example, if you want to make high pitch sound, you must make the object which we vibrate short or small. Like in case of air column, we make short air column, we vibrate short air column, so we get high pitch sound. If you want low pitch sound, we vibrate long air column. In case of guitar or piano, short strings give us high pitch sound, long strings give us low pitch sound. In case of drums, loose drum give us low pitch sound, while tight drum give us high pitch sound. Let's play another game.
Click on the icons to set the water. If you change the length of a ruler before you twang it, what happens to the sound?
We are going to
Choose
vibrate
long, medium,
this ruler.
or short to find out.
I said if you vibrate long object or long air column or long string, it gonna give us low pitch sound. Let's see if it's long. Let's make it medium. In case of short, so we know that short give us the highest pitch while long give us the lowest pitch. If you vibrate long object, it give us the lowest pitch. If we vibrate short object, it give us the highest pitch.
Click on the icons to set
Blowing.
the water level in the bottle. Then select tap or blow to see what happens to the pitch of the sound.
In case of empty bottle, let's blow and see how the pitch going to be. Vibrating long air column, I suspect that the pitch is gonna be low. Let's see. Very low. Let's make it half full. The pitch increased. Let's make it fall. The highest pitch sound in case of completely full water bottle, in case of small air vibrating of small air column or short air column. Now I
Would
hope
you
you
like to exit
understand.
virtual experiment?
I hope you understand the pitch well and the loudness. Inshallah, next video we are gonna answer the activity sheets of the sound. Thank you very much and bye bye.